Hey Stats students! Christmas is a season not only to rejoicing, but of reflection. Winston Churchill. Grid view to navigate all the slides and game plans. Week number 17, December 7th to December 11th, 2020. We are going to be reviewing Chapter 2. Students will be able to analyze two variable data on Chapter 2 test. The main standards are statistics, interpreting data. B, summarize, represent, and interpret data on two categorical and quantitative variables. And statistics, identifying data. C, interpret linear models. We got our game plan, 902 news, and week at a glance number 17. Grades, I have updated November 6th sub work and week 11 through 14 work. A lot of people were missing screenshots, so I took like 100 or 200 points off out of, I forgot, 1,800. I still need to grade late work and super late work that was due last Friday. No, just because you turn in work after the due date doesn't mean I grade it. The only way I grade it is you turn it in through late work. What's the only options now for late work? Is the 1-for-1. One reflection from one Aries assignment. You can click on this right here. And you'll notice that you can turn in the green one, but the red one, you'll see some words there that says expired because that deal has expired. All of your late work for the semester is due this coming Monday, December 14th at 9 p.m. Where do you turn in and where can you get details? Schoology, math page, welcome, and click on late work. So if Khan Academy, which is 10% of your grade, that is due on December 17th, which is Thursday, finals week at 8 a.m. You need a total of 300 learning minutes. Your optional project, which is 15% of your grade now, is due December 14th, 2020, Monday at 8 a.m. So if you had to put the three of these in order, it would be your project, then all of your late work, and then Khan Academy by times and dates. Don't forget your participation points, grade cutoffs. I've updated this now in December. Once I put it in, we'll only have 14 school days because of the finals day. You're only attending one finals day. So I calculated it. So a total of 84 school days in the year. I gave 10 days off for sickness and internet issues, which brings it out 74. If you attended every single day, your participation would be 113%, which equates to about 1.3% extra credit, which raises your grade 1%, which is a lot. We are currently here. This is a calendar view. We'll be reviewing for your Chapter 2 test. Chapter 2 test on the 11th. We'll review on the 14th. You'll have corrections released for the 14th and 15th. And you'll take your final either on a Wednesday or a Friday. Don't forget your check-in connect every Tuesdays and Thursdays. Week 17, our central question is how can you analyze two variable data? Today you are finishing homework 2.8. By Tuesday afternoon, I'll be releasing an optional, non-graded, graded study guide for Chapter 2 test. Okay, so you can take it, which I would highly recommend, but I'll probably release it Tuesday afternoon. That's why it's not blue, it's black. And then Wednesday, we're going to review for your test. We're going to have some activity we're going to do in class, and then your work is due. Thursday you'll study, and then Friday you'll take your Chapter 2 test in class. Finals week, we're going to review for the final here. Again, I'll release the Chapter 2 test corrections, and then on Wednesday I'll see the odd classes. You'll still do your check and connect on Thursday, and then Friday I'll only see periods evens 2, 4, and 6. So your final will be your attendance for that day. Like I said, what's due this coming week? Week 15 to 17 work, which is these 4 assignments. They are due this Wednesday at 8 a.m. in week 17 folder. And I think that's all I have for you. Let me show you guys where to turn in your project. All right, so here I am under Schoology. I'm just going to use the statistics, but it's pretty much the same for both statistics or integrated math 3. Just click there. That's the Google Slides for late work, and it'll teach you, one Aries assignment for one reflection. And then if you click on your project, which is due on December 14th, Monday at 8 a.m., if you click on this one, this has the project details, tells you step by step. Inside there's a 10-minute video and 5 student examples. Here's a list of words that we came up with in class that you can use for your project. They're not all the possibilities. And then this one, Stats Project Turn-In through Google Form. If you click on it, I notice this comes up, but if you click on this arrow over here, it'll actually bring it to you as a Google form, and you just fill it out. I'm already collecting your email address, so just go ahead and fill this out, which period you are, first name, last name, okay. This one says your capstone reflection link. Okay, so you get the capstone reflection from the project details. This paper here, there's a link in there, and it looks like this. Okay. You fill that out, you've done that for your classes. You need to fill out each one of these with at least a couple of sentences, complete sentences if you're doing the project, okay? Globally aware might just be recognizing like you're at home, COVID, things like that, okay? So a couple of sentences for each of those, and then you would just do share, copy your link, and then if you're turning it in there, right click and press paste, of course. And then you go to your video link, cut and paste your video link, your YouTube or Google Drive. Make sure your name is not on the video, meaning you're not saying your name, you're making a made-up name like, I don't know, Donald Duck. And you can make your link private if you're using YouTube or Google Drive. You can also make it unlisted, but make sure it is viewable by me. If I click on it and it says private, your project will not be considered turned in. So over here, I got a video. And then share, copy, come back here, right click, press paste, and then are you using YouTube? Did you write that down? Press yes. How difficult did you find the project? Most challenging, easiest part, project suggestions, and then anything else, and click submit. And then that's officially turning in your project. So that is week number 17 at a glance. See you guys.